Okay, second trade. Wasn't initially planning this, but it's set up nicely. So this was a simple break and retest of this intraday res. Could also call it a intraday balance break and retest, same type of thing. But here's that res marked out the zone, waited for an aggressive break of that level, came, then waited for an aggressive retest. Took an entry on this candle, got stopped out, and then took a second entry here, scaled out at my targets, which this is really low volatility, so I wasn't really looking for much. I was in a very scalping mindset, along with the fact that I had already taken a nice trade in the morning session, or opening session, I should say. So I took this with less size as well, and I wasn't looking for a huge move. So I scaled out two of my lots on the way up to the high of daybreak, one at this previous kind of rejection level, and then one just right before that break. And then this got taken on a trailing stop on this candle when we were breaking out a high there. Lost 4 points on that first entry. Scaled out for, that's about 8 points on the second. Cancels out the loser, gives me some profit. And we'll go over the confirmation real quick. So I got in that first one at 10:32. Just saw this bid right here defending a little bit, some buying coming off. This confirmation's not as beautiful as the morning confirmation, which is another reason. Well, there's two things about that. One, it's kind of what it is when there's low volatility. It doesn't look as nice, and it also implies that we're gonna not need to worry as much about getting the great confirmation on here, because this is more about just this technical level and waiting for price to get into this zone, and then knowing that if it breaks this zone, you're done with the setup. You're not going to take it again. So we're really just looking for moderate confirmation here, if anything. I mean, obviously high, like really good confirmation would be great, but it's not what we got. Just some buying coming off the bid, stopped out here at 10:33, and then same type of thing. Got the bid here defending these sellers, some buying coming in, and ended up getting long on that. Had some scale outs. Let's see, it's 1662. Right here and here as we broke that ask, and then my trailing got taken here. And then price is moving a little bit higher. Ultimately, this should have been my target, and I should have held one lot into that, but I didn't. So that's something to work on, something I can do better for the next trade.